In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax rate in Xero accounts, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Xero to set up a new tax rate so it's ready to use on invoices and bills. First, open Xero in your browser and head to the login page. Click the login button, then enter your email and password and sign in. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step as well. This helps protect your account and is often required for access to financial settings. Once you land on your Xero dashboard, look to the top of the screen and select your organization name. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you into the area where you manage preferences for your organization. If you don't immediately see what you need, scroll and click the link that says Looking for Advanced Settings. That opens the Advanced Accounting options where tax configuration lives. In the Advanced Accounting section, select Tax Rates. This page lists any existing tax rates that your organization already has. To create a new one, click New Tax Rate. You'll see a form with fields for the display name and the tax components. Start by entering a clear tax rate display name. Make it descriptive so your team can recognize it when they're raising invoices or entering bills. For example, include the region and the percentage, such as VAT 20% or GST 10%. Consistent naming saves time and reduces data entry mistakes. Next, add your tax components and enter the tax percentage for each. Xero lets you break a tax out into components, which is helpful if your total tax is made up of multiple parts, like a state rate and a local rate. The system will sum the components to create the total tax rate. Double-check the percentage against your current tax authority guidance to ensure accuracy. If you're updating an existing policy, confirm the effective date and make sure the new rate matches the period you intend to use it for. When everything looks correct, click Save. Xero will add the new tax rate to your organization, and it will become available to select on transactions. If you don't see the option to create or edit tax rates, you may need a user role with permission to manage organization settings. Contact your Xero administrator for access. That's it. You've set up a tax rate in Xero. As a quick tip, after saving, open a draft invoice or bill and choose your new rate to verify it calculates as expected. If something seems off, return to tax rates and adjust the name or percentages. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.